My name is Kat, and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you for joining us for our Sprouts craft today. We're going to be learning how to make our very own acorn buddies. For today's craft, all you need is some crayons. I have brown and black, a glue stick, and some paper. I have 2 white ovals. They could be circles if you want. We have this brown piece, which is like a big long U shape with the top cut off flat there. And then we have this piece, which is a big long oval, like a hot dog bun, with a little tab sticking out the side. The first thing we want to do is glue our pieces together. So I'm going to take my glue stick and put it right on the edge here. And then put this piece on just like a hat. That's the top of our acorn. Then I'm going to take my white circles and put them right in the middle here. There we are. You can put them close together, far apart, it's up to you. And then we just need to decorate. So I have my brown here, and I'm gonna make some wavy lines. An acorn cap always has some kind of a texture on it. And then I'm going to take my black crayon and draw some pupils in. Here we are. And give them a nice big smile. There we have it, our acorn buddy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts and other programs, or follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Have a wonderful day.